you on my mind. Last night I met a new boy in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. Something tells me I'm into something good. Something tells me I'm into something. He's the kind of boy who is not too shy, and I can tell him he's my guy. He danced close to me like I hoped he would. He danced with me like I hoped he would. Something tells me I'm into something good. Something tells me I'm into something. We only danced for a minute or two, but then he stuck close to me the whole night through. Can I be falling in love? He's everything I've been dreaming of. He walked me home and he held my hand. I knew it couldn't be just a one-night stand. And he asked to see me next week, and I told him I could. He asked to see me and I told him I could. Something tells me I'm into something good. Something tells me I'm into something. Something tells me I'm into something good. Something tells me I'm into something. He walked me home and he held my hand. I knew it couldn't be just a one-night stand. And he asked to see me next week, and I told him I could.